So let's talk a little bit more about SPEAK as a project. As I've said before, SPEAK stands for Social Policy, Education, Advocacy, and Knowledge. And it's a new, we just started in February, theory-based intervention at the UTA School of Social Work, designed to increase civic engagement among social work students before and after they graduate. Now, you might ask, well, why just social work students? Shouldn't we be doing this for other students as well? And I'll tell you that you're absolutely right. But we had to start somewhere, and the School of Social Work is manageable size, and we can actually do some interventions and test them out, get some data before we end up trying to scale it to a larger population. In addition, social work students are told over and over again that according to our code of ethics as social workers, we are supposed to be active in the political system to create social change. So we're working with a population that has already been told over and over again in their classes that they're supposed to be actively engaged in the political realm. And so we want to encourage that, because despite that, that admonition by our code of ethics, once people graduate, they tend not to. Although social workers as a group are more active than the general population, they're certainly not overwhelmingly more active. And that voting is the #1 activity that they do, and there's very little other activity related to civic engagement. So we're trying to get people while they're in school, we're trying to get them really involved and increase their skills so that when they leave the college environment, they will still continue taking their skills with them and being involved. So that's what SPEAK is about. Our mission is to increase the participation of social workers and their allies in the political process in order to achieve social justice outcomes. Now, you have to realize that even in a profession that really talks a lot about social justice, there are different interpretations of what that is. And so we have some lively debates within the field of social work about what the ultimate goals are, but at least we have a process of conversation and debating and working towards what social justice outcomes are in any particular situation. So now we get to the professor talk, all right? We got theory. So the civic engagement model, it was developed by Verba, Schlossman, and Brady back in 1994. And it's very well tested. It's tested not just in the US, but it's tested throughout the globe. It's been researched in very many different countries and very many different systems. So it's not just about the American system, it's also about parliamentary system, it's about other kinds of less democratic systems as well. So that's why we chose it, because it's something that theoretically is strong, but it actually hasn't been tested as an intervention model much at all. So that's another reason why we wanted to try it. We wanted to create an evidence-based intervention to increase civic engagement.